Did you know that beets are one of the best cures for high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes? Amazing, right? Well, if you're looking to help reduce these problems, come join me in the kitchen to learn my favorite beets recipe. Hi, I'm Anna Rakoczy, the founder of Homemade Method. We help women in their 50s, 60s, and 70s lose weight and reverse high blood sugars, high blood pressure, and cholesterol so you can take back control of your health, get your energy back, and say goodbye to dieting forever. We've already helped over 10,000 ladies over 50 get incredible results, like losing weight from 10 pounds to over 140 pounds, as well as reversing diabetes and getting off their medications, all without dieting. And today I wanted to give you a little sneak peek into our free online workshop that I'm hosting called Cooking for Perfect Weight and Blood Numbers. Inside, I'll be going in depth about our program and the benefits and progress our members are experiencing every day. So if you want to join us, just click the link below at any time to RSVP. Now, to get started on the real reason you're watching today's video, I'm sharing one of our program members' favorite recipes from the Sensational Salads module covered in week 7 of our program. Now, I know you might be thinking, healthy eating and salads, how original. But this is just one recipe out of over 100 we offer our members. And truthfully, this is a house favorite. So today we're making my famous Living Roots rainbow salad. But unlike other salads, it's much more than lettuce in a few toppings. In fact, lettuce isn't even an ingredient. And that's what makes it so special. This salad is rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, minerals, proteins, and healthy carbohydrates. Plus, it's something you can prepare in minutes and keep all week in the fridge. Not to mention, it's absolutely delicious and incredible for you. Now, I'm going to list the ingredients you'll need in order to make this nourishing salad. You'll need half a cup of red beets, half a cup of golden beets, or just plain carrots if you can't get those, 4 cups of kale, a cup of quinoa, and 2 cups of water or vegetable broth, olive oil and lemon juice, a bunch of parsley, and then a mix of seeds, nuts, and dried fruit of your choice. Today I'm using some almonds, some sunflower seeds, and some cranberries. To start assembling this salad, you'll begin by cooking the quinoa. Quinoa is similar to rice in the way that it's prepped. You just rinse the quinoa, then add to the pot with 2 cups of water or broth of your choice. You bring it to a boil, then you lower the heat to a simmer, cover it, and cook for 12 to 15 minutes or until all the water has been absorbed. Now, while that's cooking, you can prepare the rest of the salad. I'm going to start by cutting the beets and carrots into thin and pretty wedges like this. Or if you press for time, you can simply grate them. Now, once the beets are sliced, we're going to move on to the kale. Kale can often be quite tough if it's not prepared right. So to ensure that we get soft, tasty, digestible pieces, we're going to cut the kale like this. And once that's done, we're going to gently massage it with some olive oil and salt. This breaks down the bitterness and tough fiber, so it's much easier to eat and digest. I used to hate eating kale before I learned this trick because I always thought it was too bitter, but now I can't get enough of it, and I hear this time and time again from our members who feel the same. So give it a try. Now, once all those ingredients are prepared, place everything into a large bowl. Now, I want to talk about why this salad is so amazing for you, and it simply has to do with all of these amazing everyday superfood ingredients. We've got some major protein contributions from the synergy of quinoa and the nuts. Quinoa is a powerhouse of protein in comparison to all other grains, and combining quinoa with nuts brings a complete protein to the table, particularly important for you if you're not eating meat or eggs or dairy. This salad also features beets and kale, which are highly nutrient dense and high in fiber. Beets help to lower blood pressure, they help with constipation, and the pigment called beta-cyanin is a potent anti-carcinogenic, so it helps reduce your risks of getting cancer. Kale is popular for a reason, with its extreme nutrient density and overall strengthening effect on the body. It can help lower blood cholesterol, reduce high blood sugars, and aid healthy weight loss. And with a single bite, you can rest assured your body is getting an immune boost, with vitamin C from kale and a ton of strengthening calcium. I mean, seriously, what other benefits could you ask for in a single dish? Alright, so now that our quinoa is cooked and cooled, we'll begin putting the finishing touches on this satisfying salad. Once you add the quinoa to the beets and kale, we can begin to make the dressing. I made a super simple one out of olive oil, lemon juice, and finely chopped parsley. It's refreshing and bright and helps bring out the rich earthy flavors of the other ingredients. Lastly, we'll begin to add our toppings. I love to use roasted almonds, sunflower seeds, and dried cranberries. These help round out the salad in both flavor and texture. The nuts add healthy fats and crunch to the dish, while the cranberries add a nice sweet and chewy component. I'd recommend putting your salad aside in the fridge for a little while, if you can wait, so the flavors can marry together and create a delightfully delicious meal or even snack. And the good news is it'll last up to 5 days in the fridge if you want to make this in bulk, which I always do. Now this dish is a perfect meal or snack on its own, or makes the perfect side for any meal you want to enjoy throughout the week. Add some chicken or steak or salmon on top for an extra burst of protein if you like, or pair it with a morning omelette. It's extremely versatile and will brighten up any meal you enjoy it with. Well ladies, there you have it, a meal that truly brings it all to the table, with so many benefits and delicious flavors wrapped up in one dish. This is not one you want to skip out on, and you'll soon find out why our program members go wild for this dish. Now, if you've liked today's video, then the good news is this is just the tip of the iceberg of what we offer at Homemade Method. We're not a fad diet or a weight loss company. We're a community of women on a mission to improve our quality of life through the power of home cooking. So, if you'd like to join us, please see the details in the description below this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.